Hello. All right. I'm pretty sure it's working now. Right. MK Fix. Oh, hello. Sorry, I've been doing a little thing. Yeah, and sorry that I haven't been live in like 3 weeks. I've been doing some stuff, but yeah, nice to see you guys here. I have seen. Uh, this is like the only time that I have free right now. I know it's not the most convenient, but thank you that you guys are here. I'll be able to catch the first of the stream. Oh, okay, all right. If you're here only for a little bit, then yeah, I have something else to show you. uh, yeah. Thank you so much to Ger Anderson, if I'm pronouncing that right. He has sent me this beautiful multimeter. I haven't gotten it working with the PC just yet, but I'm still working on that. I'm going to try to get that. And yeah, I mean, compared to my old one, it's like a little guy and a big guy. They look very similar, but yeah, I mean, this one has many more options, many more buttons, many more cool things that I'll be able to do. So yeah, can't wait to start using it. And yeah, again, thank you so much. Yeah, that's one of my probes broke. But yeah, let's see. It is working, of course. I'm gonna try to put on the backlight. Yeah, I mean, all right, because there's a select mode, right? Yeah, this is the continuity. Oh my god, it has like a. You see it? There's like an LED at the top. Oh, that's so cool. That's so cool. All right. Yeah, it has so many new options. Yeah, I'm super excited. This is gonna be a great addition to my ever-growing equipment. But also, this is not the whole like new equipment. There's also some new stuff from. There's also some new stuff from Technobuzz from the JDT Discord. Has sent me some new streaming gear, which is gonna be amazing for the quality of streams. And the first thing is it's a dual HDMI capture card, so I can capture the HDMI from the microscope. So I won't have to unplug the microscope 5 times before it starts working. So that's amazing, and I can switch from the microscope to the PC. That also is not gonna be 5 frames per second anymore, like it was with this cheap Chinese dongle. So that's amazing. And I'm also going to upgrade the camera soon. It's not just gonna be this phone, but from my dad, there's also supplying a bit of the upgrade. I'm going to move into Canon EOS 1200D. It's a pretty nice camera. I'm pretty sure it's 4K. And for that, also another thing from the Techno Buzz is this Elgato Camlink 4K. So really huge shout out to him. It's a shame he's not in the chat right now, but yeah, huge thank you. This is to all of you for helping me with this streaming journey. Yeah, and it's gonna be awesome. I'm just waiting on the HDMI cable to the camera and the wall mount, so I can, because sometimes I do something and the phone keeps like moving up and down. That's gonna fix that problem too. Yeah, I can't wait. This is gonna be so amazing. So yeah, but I'm going to. I mean, I will get back to those two things later. I am going probably to use them because I'll have to plug the PC in if we can finish that revolt today, which I'm hopeful we do. So I'm just gonna put this off camera for now. But yeah, another thing is like it has the PC cable that I can plug in, and this is only Windows. I have tried with like Wine and other software for macOS, for Linux. It doesn't work, unfortunately, because it has some like weird HID thing. But my next plan is gonna be trying to set up a virtual machine with Windows. Let's see if that helps. Yeah, Gozi going pro now. Yeah. Super cool. And yeah, I mean, it is pretty cold in here, so it's gonna be more difficult than usually. But here is our core. I don't know if you guys remember, it was a while ago. We blasted that thing with heat, but some balls flew out, some didn't stick. So we have to populate all of these and maybe put a little flax in there too. Now this is not the best angle. As you can see, you cannot see the individual balls, so that's not great. Do I have an HDMI cable somewhere? I mean, yes, I do, of course. I'm gonna try plugging in the new piece of kit right now, the capture card, to see if I can set up the microscope through the HDMI, because that would be epic. I wouldn't have to deal with the USB interface. It will be full 4K quality. Okay, so it comes in this cool little box. I mean, it's already unzipped because I checked if everything got here safe. Hello. Is that cable infrared cable? Yeah, I mean, that's what it looks like. It has like two infrared diodes. Not sure why they did it that way, but I mean, if it was like USB-C, if I moved it around a bunch, it might put strain, but this will probably not break as easily. Oh, I don't even have to worry. They include an HDMI. That's cool. Cool. I thought I would have search around for the HDMI cable, but no, they just include one. For electrical isolation from the meter. Could be that too. I'm not an expert. at all. All right. Pretty sure these will light up too. I think. They look like the kind of thing that lights up. Oh, and it's like picture in picture. That's true. Oh, this is gonna be so great. I can't wait. Okay. Let's do microscope will be input 1. This will plug in to the USB. Man, I'm gonna be able to do 4K videos, but I'm not gonna be able to edit them. But I haven't been making videos yet at all, I guess. It doesn't matter that much. But yeah, I mean, this is. Oh, sorry. I knocked it. I mean, I'm gonna do a video of this 1080 Ti repair for sure. It's been like pretty epic so far. Oh, yes, it glows. It glows. Ooh. Look at that. There's a red one, there's a green one. What does it do? I have no idea. Let me just try to plug in one of the inputs, see what it looks like. All right. Does it just appear as a normal OBS thing? I'm gonna switch off the camera for now. Does it appear? Go stream. Haha, yes. All right, it just works. And if I click 2, there's nothing plugged in yet. I can. Oh, it like does the buttons. The green one is the one that's not selected, and the red one is the one that's selected. Okay, that's cool. What does this do? Oh, it just changes. So you can just change and not remember which one is which. This will be what? Oh, this is picture in picture. Oh, and the buttons light up. Oh, this is so cool. This is so cool. Oh, okay. That's amazing. Oh my god. I'm so excited, you guys can hear probably. It's so cool. Alright, let's get into it. Just gonna maneuver everything out of the way. I think that the USB cable, I have to unplug that for now. And then plug it again. Yeah, that's so cool. If you guys can hear me? I hope you guys can hear me. Hello? Yes, you do. Okay. I have like 5 sources in OBS of audio, and I didn't see if it can do it. Yeah. Okay. Let me just switch off all the picture-in-picture stuff if I can. Okay, so this just switches off picture-in-picture. All right. Yep, can hear you. Okay. Oh, it's so bright. I have to like. All right, that's a little bit better. I have to like bring it all the way up. Okay. And it's the right way up. Not like last time. Okay, so you guys can see how many balls we have to put back. It's a few, that's for sure. But the rest are actually soldered down, so shouldn't be that difficult. Famous last words. What is this from? I'm not. Oh, this is from the I'm looking at like the tips for the flags, and I was like, why is this one gray? It's because it's from the solder paste, of course. All right, I'm gonna like put tiny bits of flags in those holes. No, that's way too much flags. Oh, whatever. Pretty sure because like I may be just messing it all up right now, but pretty sure because the thing is like it's in a grid right now and I'm direct heating it, the flux should actually help. Oh my god. Okay, that's flooded everything. Oh, whatever. I may just undo all of the progress. I hope not. But I will learn if I do, I guess. Okay, let me just flood it all and see what happens. Well, it's like even though it's so cold outside, it's still so easy to push out. That's crazy. All right, so we have a lot of flux. Let's just let it seep in, see what happens. I'm hoping for like a nice even reflow of everything and no joining balls, nothing sticking to the stencil, but that may be too much. We'll see. All right, let's do it. How much am I even set into? 480. Okay, no, that's too much. Let's do 420, 50%. Just like normal. Oh, I have to be careful because the magnet sucks in my hot air down. By the way, the reason why it's so so big, I cannot zoom out more. My lens allows me to. This is the maximum I can zoom out because it's like 150 times lens. So okay, I'm gonna turn up the airspeed. But yeah, I may buy a times 50 lens somewhere in the future. It's gonna be still very much microscope, but not as much. Oh, I can see some bubbling. We hope they won't just float out. The biggest fear. No, hey, they actually seem to do their thing like good. Oh, except for one, of course. All right. You know what? That was successful, I would say. I see I did a oopsie because there were some excess balls that I accidentally still like mm, I didn't get rid of, and they got. Maybe I can just with an X-Acto knife oh, just yeah, I can pull this one away, but this one I think is stuck to. Or okay, okay. That's very good. All right, let's just add more balls. What he's saying? Oh, I hear him now. Oh, okay. If there's any problems with audio, let me know, please. Oh wait, what? Oh, there's line-in jacks on the bottom of this device too. I can plug in a microphone, headphones, everything. Ah, okay. That's cool. All right, all right. Yeah, I might get a more all right because if I'm gonna switch the camera, I'm gonna have to like have a microphone too because right now I'm using my phone's microphone. All right, we'll get there when we get there. Anyways, let me just get some spare balls and put them on here. I guess. All right, where's my tweezers? There's my tweezers. There's my bigger tweezers. Good, good, good. I'm thinking like, what if I just spray some balls here? Okay, that should be good enough for now. It's a lot of balls. All right. So now it's the very fun process of placing every single ball into its own hole. So yeah. So exciting. Yes, yes. Well, my tweezers are sticky now. I have to get the IPA. Did Andy find someone to give a microphone to? He was just giving one away. Oh, I have no idea. I have no idea. I mean, I have like this. I still have like with the even with a microphone arm. I have a microphone, but yeah, from what I seen, mine sounds kind of bad. Like I have to boost the audio maximum, and if I do that, it's kind of not great. So I'm thinking like maybe I need like a like an amplifier for it or something, or maybe it's just a bad microphone. Who knows? So yeah, it's just gonna be me putting in tiny balls in those spots. I think Hot House has it. Oh, don't know the finance things. So yeah, it's just gonna be me talking. So I will just put balls in and occasionally read chat. As all reborn. Yeah, I really hope this this actually works. That would be epic. If so much effort would work. I mean, you know what? I will be happy if the card initializes after this. Like, there's no shorts and it initializes. If it still shows the same memory error, I'm still gonna be happy because that's one heck of a reball I'm doing. Like, no, guys, this is the biggest thing I've reballed yet. So. Kinda got silent. But yeah, I'm still here. Now that I am here, though, I am going to. Why not? While I'm here, I'm gonna just quickly go in and plug in the second HDMI input, which is the PC, and see how it handles that. So, turn it on, turn the PC on. I don't have the SSD in it right now, unfortunately, because I'm not really sure where is it. It's probably in my house. But yeah, let's try to switch. What in the? Why is the RAM out? What? Why is the RAM out of the PC? Who did this? I mean, it's only me here, so I guess me. But then why? All right, let me just put it back in quickly. And it should boot now. No, it's stuck at the RAM code. So don't tell me this RAM's gone bad. Let's just. I'm gonna take some IPA, clean the contacts. I mean, I need a good PC to test the thing anyway. Might as well do it now. I don't have like a proper contact cleaner. Like, I don't know what this is called, deoxit. Oh, hi Roger. Welcome to the stream. Hi Gozi. Yeah. That's me. Right now, I am testing capture card and trying to get the PC running. Oh, is it booting? Come on, boot. Yes. Right, so it should be. Yes. Haha. All right. So I can now switch between this, have them side by side. This is so cool. That's great. All right. So everything is working, I guess. It's a simple but powerful device. I really like it. It's so much better than the no-name capture dongle I had before. So yeah, again, if he sees this, very much shout out to Technobuzz for sending this. All right, let's get back to reballing. Oh, there's quite a lot gone there. So yeah, it's gonna take a while. The tweezers are sticking again. More IPA time. All right. Excellent. Oh, I got IPA in a cut. Yeah, that was good of him. Yes. It's gonna be a great piece of equipment. Yeah. Kind of sucks that I can't do as many streams as I would like, since it's only gonna get colder. It's cold now here, but it's only gonna get colder. And yeah, I mean, I could get a heater here. Yeah, Dad says that it's not efficient and it's gonna take a lot of energy. And yeah. Oh, there are balls already here. What am I doing? I'm gonna try to stream as much as I can, though. No, it's there's not that much time. Unfortunately. But if I do get some sort of heating, there should be a lot of different streams in the end of December, January, and February, because then I will have so much free time. That's because, and now I have a topic to talk to you while I'm putting on like hundreds of balls, because it's a really cool 2 months. The end of December is of course Christmas. Right after that, we have a break up until New Year's, and after New Year's, and then after New Year's, I go to there's like a thing at my school where you have to like get a job for 1 month, and so I will be coming back home at the same hour, but this time for a month with absolutely no homework, no studying, and anything like that. So I will have free time. So that will be great. And right after that, it's like couple days to school, and there's winter break up until the end of February probably. So that's that's gonna be amazing. But yeah, I definitely have to get some heating here. An oil-filled radiator, well, probably most efficient. Ooh, I don't even know what that is really. Do a Wi-Fi controlled relay board to activate it remotely when you want to heat up the area. Yeah, I mean, there is something here that is getting done. My dad has bought a lot of like wool because there's like new code and it doesn't allow for I guess like this type of wool to be used anymore because something I think like it being not like eco-friendly or something, I don't know, but yeah, it's not allowed to be used on new buildings, but it has been used for a lot of the older ones. So he got it for very cheap, and he's going to be like how to say, not heating up but isolating the roof, so it's gonna be better in here. And then after that I just need some heating and it should be good probably. But yeah, the remote relay is actually a good idea because yeah, if I like start it up and then just as I got here, and it's gonna take a while to warm up. But yeah, I can just activate it from home before I plan to go here. Both are sticking like my tweezers are magnetic. Insulation, yes, yeah, that was the word. So yeah, we just finished like I think it was 2 or 3 days ago. Uh, Finished putting in. Yeah, my tweezers are magnetic or just dirty. I'm gonna clean them. Just finished putting in support, more supports for the roof beam, so we can put these in. So we're actually pretty close to putting them in here. So that's gonna be great. How was Italy? Oh yeah, 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 yeah. I was on the school trip to Italy. That's true. That's true. Yeah, it was the the views were absolutely amazing. Uh, we could have went to better hotels. Hotels were like not great by any means, but yeah, the views were great. The company was cool with all my friends there. Yeah, we went to first. We went to oh no, I'm probably gonna butcher the names because I don't know them in English. But we went to Venezia, then we went to Siena, after that to Rome and Vatican City, and at the end we went to Florencia. If that's how you say it. So yeah, it was a. We spent most of the trip in the bus. It was a long drive. Afterwards, when I went home after that super super long trip, after like dinner, It was like 3 p.m. I went to sleep, and I woke up the next day at 8 a.m. So that was a long sleep, but definitely needed. Since like we haven't gotten much sleep on the trip itself because we had to leave early. We came late to the hotel. We had to leave early, and the problem with the second hotel, it was Florence. Oh yeah. Uh, the problem with the second hotel is that it was very cold. Everything there was tiles floor in the bedroom, in the bathroom. There was like no, there was it was colder inside than it was outside. We're shivering, like triple blankets, and we're still shivering. But yeah, yeah, and there was so much walking in both, like in Rome. In Rome, yeah, we went from the Colosseum to and through the Vatican City. So yeah, it was a long walk. Yeah, Venice in English. Yeah, yeah. The first hotel was like pretty damaged. Like yeah, there were bugs and whatever, but the the biggest issue is that there was much damage everywhere. So I had to take so much evidence photos that I didn't cause it. And yeah, even one of my room's friends' rooms uh, had an electrical socket that was like out of the wall. Like there was live wires you could touch. And so they immediately, like said, "Yeah, you should fix this right now." And there came the guy that came to fix it, just taped the socket to the wall. He didn't screw it in or anything; just taped it to the wall, and it untaped itself again. Apparently, what I heard. Oh yeah. And another thing was one of my friends is allergic to nuts, and there came a lady that said, "Yeah, yeah, your friend doesn't have to worry about nuts at all because they have specifically done everything that he won't have to eat nuts." And then, of course, for his for dessert, he got chocolate ice cream with nuts, like little nut fragments inside. So yeah, great. It's like, why are these balls not coming through? I feel like there's like dirt inside these holes. Could be the case actually. Or is this ball just physically bigger? I'm gonna try to put it in another hole. Like maybe here. Yeah, no, it's fine. Yeah, it was interesting. Polish English. Yeah, sounds like UK food. Oh yeah, and the food options. What I what we had. We had in the first hotel we had for our first meal it was pasta with tomato sauce. That was actually pretty alright. After that it was like heavily processed meat with fries. I found a little it was about the I like lost the train of thought. I mean, yeah, I was eating it. I was the only one, but I found a bone fragment. So I guess it wasn't processed. And after that, there was of course that dessert that I just told about. So yeah, that's one thing. And then another, then in the another hotel we had like peas and chicken leg for one meal, and then another day it was the same heavily processed meat, but this time with like I don't know how to say it in English, like coating. You know what I mean? It was coated in like flour and stuff like that. You know what I mean. I cannot find the word right now. Mm, and this time with green beans. Yeah, yeah, that's what it was called. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's called green beans. Yeah, interesting. Should you not have been eating pasta and pizza? I mean, we had pasta once. Pizza, no. I mean, I ate one pizza, like half a pizza with my friends. But no. Like, there was not like an initiative for everyone to get pizza. Just while you were on your free time, it was allowed to get a pizza, but it was not like in the hotel or whatever. And yeah, what was a bit school option for the just make it edible? Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Yeah. But we also paid a bunch, so I'm pretty sure the travel agent thing took the money and just gave us this. Uh, and yeah, what was I was about to say? Again, after I replied to chat, I cannot focus on what I was saying before. I completely lost it this time. My fault. Oh well. Mm. You can see the stencil is like kind of bending, but at the same time it's squished with a magnet, magnus. Yeah, that's the Polish word for it. Magnet like so much that it's not enough to get the balls flowing in the wrong way. Oh yeah, that's why I really like this stencil. I'm gonna take off the excess things. Alright, yeah, this is where there were problems. Yeah. I have to somehow wake up these three balls. How am I gonna do that though? That's a good question. I will answer after I reflow this because I already put so many balls in here. Oh my tweezers sticky again. Why are you distracting us and chatting in chat? Not streamer that got angry. As people chatted in chat. I wasn't there with stuff. I would if I could. Yeah, I know you. Yeah, I'm not. I don't have a big enough chat to like afford to time someone else. It's a great that I have a chat at all I can talk to. Yeah, no, it's fine. Whatever I was saying was probably not that important. All right, I'm just looking over. I'm blocking the camera or whatever. Just looking over if I put. Oh no, because there's so much. Oh yeah, I have to like get these things out of there. Oh, I hate this. There's like dirt inside these holes, or is it just flux? Oh, it could be. It could be just flux. Yeah. Okay. I get it. It's just I flushed so much flux that it's now solid, and me, you know, the ball not sitting down is not a sign that there's a foreign body in between. It's just like it will flow down with heat, I think. Hmm. You have the best people in chat, Gozi, right here. So I'm also here, unfortunately. No. No, it's good that you're here. Uh, where did my IPA go? I have to clean my tweezers again, and it's nowhere to be found. I've just used it though, so oh, there it is. All right. Oh yeah, I haven't mentioned it because it happened a couple days ago, or even a week. I don't remember. But yeah, I hit 100 subscribers on YouTube. Yay! Great. It was my goal that I was gonna try to get to 100 subscribers in the first year. Uh, and yeah, that happened. So yeah, that's super cool, super great. And yeah, I'm really happy with that. Yeah, where's my tweezers? I need to order my Christmas. Yeah, congrats. Thank you. Man, I honestly didn't think I would get even that far with my streaming. Like I thought, because when I made, I was like, when I made the channel, I thought there was no way. But yeah, it's really cool. I mean, I actually hit 100 subscribers twice because there was the first 100 subscribers, and I got like I had like 60 subscribers about, and then suddenly it went to like 130 or something. It was crazy. Uh, but then after a couple days, it came right back down to 70. So I mean, I gained 10, but it was really weird. What is in here? Come on, that can't be just flags. Can it? It's protruding so much. Yeah, I see some places that, you know what? I'm gonna play it safe. I'm not gonna populate these now. I'm gonna populate them later because they seem like they would pop out and ruin everything if I apply heat. So yeah, I'm just gonna play it safe. Oh, I do need to grab this one. And yeah, we're almost at the time of heating it. So yeah, very exciting. Come on. Oh, the magnet is fighting. Uh, I always look back at my stuff. Who would watch this? Yeah, exactly. I mean, I had uh, yeah. I mean, I tried making a couple of videos already, actually, from my streams, but I've seen like because I am learning so much, I am like advancing too quickly. You know what I mean? Like it seems like every stream is better than the last one, and by the time I'm like halfway editing through the video, I see that the next video that I would do will be much better than as the first video. So so I end up scrapping everything. But yeah, definitely not this one. No matter how bad I think it looks, the 1080 Ti will be the video. That's 100% true, because it looks like it's, even if it doesn't work, it's gonna make for a good video. I'm just gonna take my finger to pick up the solder balls. No, it's not the best method, but it's a fast method. Now I will be heating this up very soon, so yeah, be prepared. We'll see if it all melts together, or is it gonna be one big happy 1080 Ti? Hopefully the second one. Oh, thank you, I squish worms. So feeling where you were, where you are, and where you want to end up. Yeah, I mean, it will. I will probably improve. Like this is not me at my best. Absolutely, I feel like I am going to improve a bunch. But then again, I want to like look semi, like good at least. I'm not talking like the first video ever, but it would be good if it wasn't awful either. You know what I mean? All right. I think it's time to heat it up. Yeah, switching to the camera. 99%, 420. It's gonna take a while because it's very cold here in the workshop. Oh, and one solder ball already is here. Where did it pop up from? I have no idea. Okay, let's just. Oh, where did this one go? I feel like this is too much airflow. Let's move it down to like 50. Oh, there it is. Okay, so this ball just went to the opposite side of the stencil. It should not be there. It should be here. Right here. Okay. Yeah, it was gonna take a while. That's for sure. Oh no. Ah, of course. Yeah, this is not gonna be. Oh, no. Sorry, guys, for the wobble. Oh, or no, it's just microscope. I'm gonna try to hit the corners first. See, I mean, I'm not worried about the stencil bending, but I'm also like feel like that's gonna like help me get to the mass more efficiently. Very hard to notice too if it's like actually melted or not yet. I don't think anything is melted yet from what I see. some of them are actually melting now. Okay, pretty sure everything is melted. All right, now it's all melted. All hope is lost. Yes. I have no idea what you're talking about, Marv. With what? Absolutely. I don't know if you have used this type of stencil. It's the magnetic base Amawa stencil. It's not. This is how you're supposed to do it with this. You just blast it with heat from the top with the stencil on. And yeah, no, I don't use a preheater for it. It's supposed to. It is isolated from the table with like heavy rubber feet, so should be fine. I has no idea too. Right. Yeah, now I'm just gonna let it cool down and see how many balls actually stack again. If half the balls are gonna come out, I hope not. I hope this is just gonna be. Are they still liquid? No. Okay, so this is stuck down. Hey, you know what? That is looking pretty nice. Is this very hot? Not at all. Yeah. Okay. No balls coming out. Is it possible for me to remove the stencil? It could be. Stencil should work with paste, not ball. No. This works with both, but you should not use solder paste on GTX 1080 Ti core. I mean, I guess if you're like crazy good, you can, but balls are way better for this type of thing, for big GPU cores. Okay, so I think first what I gotta do is I gotta separate it from the magnet, and now we take out the core stencil thing. Now we have to separate it. So yeah, pretty sure bending will be the best way. Yeah, and now I just push it out. Don't wanna like make it. Oh, I see like couple balls got stuck already. That's gonna be fine probably. I can just repopulate those. I don't. There's so much suction. Yes, okay, I got it off. There are like maybe like 10 balls that need adjusting, but man, this is great. I love this stencil. Yeah, paste would be less even. Yeah, exactly, because like I would even use paste with RAM chips. I mean, I would both are better, but I would use paste with RAM chip. But with such a big core, using paste would make it very much uneven. At least in my experience. I mean, of course, everything is possible. Yes, egg and polish. Yes, yes. All right. There was a very cool folder here that I had for like final reballing. Where did I put it? That's a very good idea. Yeah, question, not idea. There it is. All right. This is a like final stage reballing folder. So basically, you just put the core into here, and this is where I adjust the final balls and blasted of heat, because it has very little contact area with the core itself. Yeah, there's a lot of different lot of flux everywhere. All right, so first things first, of course, IPA, lots of IPA. I'm actually gonna heat up the thing first. Toothbrush, yes, yes, yes. Microfiber cloth. I'm gonna clean this chip to perfection, because all of this old flux is gonna really not be great. I mean, grown-up discussions. Oh, okay. I see, I see. Yeah, I'm gonna put it to like 160. And so that's gonna melt the flux, but actually not the solder. So it's gonna be probably easier to clean then. Okay. Now we flood the thing with IPA, really just flood it. And scrub. Every single ball that unsticks now should have not stuck at all. As Joey says, was not fit for purpose. I have a new Vice Clan board holder arriving, XZZ. Yeah, XZZ and Amao are very, very good options. All right. Just dab it with the microfiber cloth. All right. So, as we can see, we have there's one messed up corner, right? Where was it? Yeah, here. So I have to get rid of this. I have to repopulate a couple pads. But honestly, we're pretty close. Brass bush. It's a brush, right? Not a bush. Maybe a typo. Okay. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna have to be really careful and use like the tiniest wick I have to get rid of this one ball. I mean, I'm gonna get rid of 6 while trying to do that, but I want it to be only 6. Not much more. Although Okay, that's gonna be pretty difficult. I'm gonna try my best. I'm just gonna try my best. We'll see what happens. Where's my wick? I don't mean the big wick. I mean like the small little wick. This is 3 millimeters, so that's way too big. This is 3 millimeters, so that's way too big. This is 2 millimeters. This is one. Okay, this is what I want. 1 millimeter. That's all we need. Actually, push Gozi first. I find shiny tips. I mean, yeah, it does make the tips shiny. Brass push for shiny tip. Yeah, I mean, oh yeah, right. We are supposed to do the test. Does it stick to a magnet? My brass bush. No, it does not. So I think it's real, right? Right? Was that how it worked? It shouldn't stick to magnets, so I think it's good. All right. I'm gonna, of course, now microscope view. Yes, yes, yes. All right. You guys can see what I'm talking about. It's specifically these like 3 bolts right here that need fixing. So just gonna clean the tip of my iron with the brass bush, as you guys are saying. And now I would love to have it like closer to me. Can I do that? Yes, I can. All right, that's good. I didn't my bush review to you guys. Oh, okay. In the phone, the Discord phone is like filming right now, so I can check it right now. I guess that's good. That was amazing. Yes? Yes, all right. That was so great. Oh my god. I got rid of all the balls I wanted and only 4 got compromised. That's amazing. So, such precision. Let's go. These and wielka głowa in the way. Oh, lol. I don't get what you were saying about, talking about, but yeah, I guess you guys are having fun. No idea what's happening. Right, so let me just clean up that flux. Yeah, I just need a little. Alright. And now I take the balls, lots of balls, and place them on the pads, reflow them, flood with flux, reflow again, and we might be good to go. Let's go. We're so close, guys. We're so close to having this thing actually like be good. You can see a white light. Sorry for I don't yeah, you guys are right. I shouldn't try to understand what you guys are saying. Should just focus on the repairs. Of course, my soldering iron is dirty again. I mean, my tweezers. A bit more cleaning, and we're back in business. Oh, what in the world? It was like a drop of IPA that's appeared. Yeah, I got it. I got it. Grab a ball, place the ball, put it in the place. I'm gonna use like 1% airflow, I think, so the balls don't join together. and yet still like. I really hope it's going to work. It's going to be amazing result. Yes, I really do too. Need tweezer tip cleaner. Why? I mean, it's just I just take a piece of paper and IPA. That's my tweezer tip cleaner. Is there like a dedicated device for that type of thing? Would only save me like 5 seconds of my time. I mean, if it's gonna be like $2, then whatever. I guess I can buy it. But then again, like, not that big of a deal if my tweezer tip is dirty. This 3D print one. Huh? I mean, it's just plastic. I don't see how plastic would clean the tip. It would have to be like a brush combined with like a brush combined with yeah, like for the with IPA dispenser. It's possible, but then again, it only takes like 2 seconds. And I dropped my ball somewhere. I don't know. Anyways, I'm just gonna take another one and don't worry. Oh, there it is. How did it get here? And yeah, we have tested the board. I'm gonna test it one more time that we absolutely do not have any shorts before I put in the core. If there are shorts after the core, that means either my reball was bad or the core is shorted. But yeah. I'm like 99% sure we did a check, right? Right, guys? We did like a check on the core pads itself that it has not shorted itself. There was that one thing, right? Right? Maybe I'm thinking of another GPU. But it could have been this one. Let's see. I think this will be the last ball. And I'm gonna put my hot air at. Anyway, is my. Oh, am I always. Your balls dropped here. Huh? I don't. What? How is my voice related to this? All right. That actually looks pretty good. I think every single ball is accounted for. Looks to me that way. We have like any bridges or balls that are in really bad shape? I think they're all good. Okay. I'm gonna try to put some heat. If it works or not, it's still a good engineer reporting core like this. Yeah, I mean, if it doesn't work, I would say that I'm gonna keep the core as a souvenir, but I guess it's gonna be on the board, right? So we'll have to reball it again. But yeah, it will still be a big achievement. Like Bodger's wife says, no, listen to Bodger. Yeah, I'm pretty sure MS says that. All right. 1% airflow. Oh yeah. First of all, 420, and now 1% airflow. Or I think 1% is too little. I think 10% was good, right? Ow! Okay, yes, it's good. It's good. It's good. I tested it. With my own hand. I thought like, wow, this is barely any airflow. And in 2 seconds, I got burned. All right, it works. It works. Oh. Oh, I can hear the IPA bubbling. That's not good. Hmm. Will that delaminate? Ooh, that's not good. I don't know what I should do right now. I hear the IPA. You know what, guys? I think I'm gonna do. Why is there so much like little like strings everywhere? I'm gonna do. Hot things are hot. New discovery. Yeah. I'm gonna do. No, not that much. Jesus. I'm gonna do very like 160, something like that. I'm just gonna warm up the board, like the core. I'm not gonna melt anything yet because I feel like if it has a sudden shock, it will delaminate. This is like the baking technique, but without the oven. These two are like joined, amazing, like unjoined them. Of course, they want to bridge so badly. Oh my god. I'm pretty sure all of the IPA has evaporated by now. So I'm just gonna unjoin all the balls that got joined again accidentally. Yeah, this is good, this is good now, this is good. And yeah, let's bump up the heat again. Not that much, jeez. Let's do like 400 maybe. We need to command Bob. No. I know how to do commands and stuff like that. Need a nudge sound. 2 balls of the pads. I don't see what you mean. No, they're not off the pads. They're just on an angle. It's not bad, not bad. Right? Oh, I touched these again. They're gonna be freaking bonded for the rest of the time again. I hate this. Flux is either the best thing that has happened or the most annoying, depending on how you use it. Okay, let's try. I'm gonna start with this corner first, since this is like the most annoying one. Oh, they're gonna like try to move the heat around a bit. Still hearing like tiny little popping noises, and I'm pretty sure that's just IPA, but it's scaring me. These popping noises are really like triggering PTSD in me. I feel like boiled off all of the IPA. Alright, yeah, it's melting, it's melting. I think that's good. Alright, now we're melting this. Now we're melting this, very good. Yep, now we're melting this part. Alright, yes, yes. Now we're melting this. Now we're melting that. Yeah, very good, very shiny. Alright. Right, I'm gonna stop here. Uh, 2 balls of pass, one of is bad. Wow, it's back. Keeps on dramatic. Head as the end screenshots if you. I don't get it. You guys are talking. Okay, I'm gonna switch to Discord on the. Oh, there's 4 messages from Roger. Okay. First screenshots. How was the item? Hako brass soldering iron tip cleaner. Amazing brass bush. If you like your tip nice and shiny, this is the brush for you. Remember to tin your shiny tip before turning off your iron to save your tip from oxidizing. So much better than those fake brass colored bushes out there. Try the magnet test your bushes right to the magnet. Yeah, helpful review. It was these balls I wasn't about. They ended up okay. Yeah, it's just the angle. Don't worry, it's just the angle. They ended up okay. No, I don't have mind control. They adjust because of the angle. It's not mind control. It's just the microscope sees it at the other angle. All right. Now I take my toothbrush and I just try that, test. Okay, I see two balls that are not stuck. Every other one looks very good. All right, two balls I can do. Two balls I can do. No problem. No problem. After that, I will pour the poor thing with flux. And yeah, that will be all probably. Yeah, these two. I'm gonna like closely watch them. Just the angle of the G skull now. No, I didn't mean it in that tone. I meant like, okay, whatever. Like moving around the heat from one to another and seeing if they sit down properly. Okay. They are melting, I see that. Now for this one. Yes, yes, very good, very good. Very good, very good. All right. I'm gonna come off the heat. I wanna see. Oh, okay, sorry. No, because you just muscle butter. Okay, okay. No, it didn't stick. Oh, this one didn't stick either. All right, we're bringing out the big guns, which is flux. So there's a tiny little bit of flux. Ow, it's still very hot. Just a little bit here, a tiny bit here. Now we put the balls back where they should be. And I'm gonna do this as fast as I possibly can while the core is still hot to like melt everything again. Oh, that just flew into place so nicely. Oh, did it? Or it just no, I think it just floated away. It didn't fall into place yet. Okay, now this one. Pretty sure I melted everything there. Now here again, just to be sure.
Yeah, those balls look very shiny. That's good.
All right, let's try again. But oh my god, it was just the angle. That's we were in chat not doing it. I mean, you guys would probably be able to do this. Yep, it's solid. The other one? No, it's not. Oh, this one solder ball. Just messing with me so bad. Alright. I'm gonna rotate everything. It's gonna make my life much easier. I'm pretty sure this was the one, finally. Ball of Balder. I have no idea what that means. Yes, finally! It is here! And it is soldered well. Alright. This is the biggest part. I'm now gonna flux the entire chip up and reflow every single ball. Wish me luck, guys. Alright, alright. Alright, a little like X here. Basic. Oh my god. No bush inside. Good luck. Thanks, JFix. Basically, what I'm doing right now is reflowing everything, and my like desired output is that no balls will join. There will be no like bad stuff, and it will all just look perfect after. Okay. Here, kid, catch pros luck. Let's go. You got this, Gozi. Thank you, thank you. Good luck. Nice order. I'm glad it's good. All right. I'm gonna actually use the high airspeed for this one, 50%, because this is just the reflow. It's not the. There are no like stray balls on here. Okay. So, 8-bit repair, welcome. Didn't go according to plan, but it's not ruined either. Bought something on eBay and the person selling I can my YouTube channel refunded the money and said for free. Whoa! That's crazy. Anyways, I'm not happy with some balls on the side, and I'm not happy with like 2 balls on the corner. I would probably, I'm just gonna weak those. It's 3 balls, but whatever. I'm gonna weak them and provide with new ones, and the rest I will just reflow with more flax. It should probably fix the issue. All right, those 3 balls are gone. Be right back. Hi, Burbhi. Whatever. Be right back. Nice. You're an influencer now. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Mm, yeah. I was a bit hesitant today to start the stream because I also seen that Swindon Electronics Repair is also streaming, but unfortunately this is the only time I have for stream now, and I haven't streamed in a while, so I just had to. Come on, ball, stick to the pad, please, not to the tweezer. Good enough, I think. Okay. This ball just disappear. All right. Just stream when you have time. I'll watch back on this stream later. Never stream. I mean, yeah, the YouTube fixer community is growing, right? You have seen that there's more and more people. All right. Oh yeah, lower the airspeed, of course. To like 10%, and I'm gonna try to blast this corner again. Okay, I'm gonna come in with the flux. And it should just flow into place now. Keyword being should. Come on. Flow into place. What? Is it bigger or am I? The balls seem bigger than the other ones. What in the world? Is this optical illusion? I'm just gonna add more flux and reflow. Maybe it's just an optical illusion.
Oh, it seems to me that one ball and the other one's smaller, but they're also bigger. What is happening? Uh, that's really weird. I'm
I'm just gonna leave that.
gonna leave that be, or am I?
You know what? I've spent so much time. I'd rather be safe. Just gonna weak that one ball that looks just a tiny bit smaller because that can make all the difference.
Better be safe than sorry.
All right, I've wicked actually 2 balls, but whatever.
Right. I'm pretty sure those two are about to go. I'm gonna do a friendly separation.
You guys are absolutely not seeing anything, and I apologize, but
I'm really focused right now.
yes. Okay. All right.
That looks much better. Okay, now where did I have like doubts? This looks good. This looks good. This looks good. No, I think everything resolved itself with me heating it up. Guys,
It might actually be time for me to clean the core, apply flux, and All right, let me just get the toothbrush. A lot of IPA. Clean up all of that flux. Oh, oops. The holder is stopped holding it. Where's my microfiber? Come on. There it is. To dab it really quickly before it
yeah, I think
yeah, it's all covered in flux still. Whoopsie. Yeah, it looks horrible. I need to clean it again. Okay, so again, mount it this time like this. A lot of IPA. Get in between every crevice there is. And now dab it with microfiber. Even though that's not perfect, I would say that's very much good enough. Yeah, it's pretty clean. All right, let's take it out of the holder. Admire it while it's here. Hold on, if I can yeah, I mean, you can see the dark spots is like excess spots of flux, but we're gonna be flooding you with flux anyways on the board, so it doesn't really matter. And you can see how good this looks. So many balls. That's the most balls I've seen in my life. All right. Let me just clean the top two because it's filthy. Then I don't need to dab. I can just scrub
all of that excess flux and everything else, excess balls. Oh. All right. Oh, there's like solder balls stuck to the top shield. I'm just gonna scrape them off so they don't cause any issues.
Let's go. So nice. Well done. I mean, thanks. We don't know still if it's working or not. Just that the revo is completed. And I put it on the freaking bolts down, so I have to clean it once again. Because it gathered up all of the filth from my table now. And another clean can never hurt, right? A thorough toothbrushing. Okay. Now the cleanest part of my microfiber to dab up that excess IPA. Whew, that's looking even better than before. All right. It's time, guys. It's time. Let's get the preheater out. Sounding healthy there. Yeah, I mean, I'm like half sick, as it always is when it's like autumn. Not only the allergies, but also like a cold and stuff like that. That's just how it is in this time of year. All right, let me switch you over to tabletop. Oh crap! There's like 5% left battery. Oopsie. Yeah, my phone is gonna turn off in like 2 seconds. Oh, no. All right, I plugged it in. It's 4%. It's probably gonna shut off. Oh no! I should have kept it plugged in, but only had one cable. So you guys can see the. Oh God! Why is the quality so bad? All right. Yeah, it's 1%. Yeah, it's gonna turn off any second. Crap. I don't know what to do really. I don't have a backup phone. Oh. Hello? Hello? Chyba... hold on, I think this is microscope. It's better now? Do you hear me? Hello? I hope you do. Alright, yeah, it's warming up slowly. The iPhone is connected. You can see it's... hopefully everything will be good now. Yeah, kind of a big mistake. Big oopsie on my part, sorry about that. The delay is also like, I have asked if you hear me like a solid minute ago, and just now we hear you, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna find the charger so I can charge my phone while this is happening. You guys can't really see it that good, but basically we're waiting for this to go up. This is 5 volts 1 amp. It's like basically nothing. I had like a said 65 watts. It's total lie. But let's see what it actually does. 3 amps. That's good enough. Now let's see if it blows up when I plug it in. Did it not blow up? My phone... okay, my phone is charging. Amazing. Ground control to Major Gozi. I'm blaming new toys, etc. Blame MK. Back, we blaming MK for something? I don't know, are we? I guess. Anyways, we are warming up the board. We're gonna wick everything off it soon. The core is already reballed, and we're gonna place it. We're gonna check everything. Oh wait, I was supposed to check for shorts first before we did everything. Let's just do that very quickly. Yes, new multimeter time. Yay! All right. So ground on here, and first of all memory. 30 ohms. Yeah, it's because the board is hot now. That's good. Let's try core. Can I aim, please? Right. Yeah, up 100 ohms, so it's not shorted. And finally 1.8 is K, couple K. Okay, so there's no shorts on the board yet. Let's make some. No, I'm kidding. Let's try to not make any. What in the world is happening? I set this thing to 160. Why is it going up to freaking 200? Hello? Who gave it permission to do that? Oh my god. It's only supposed to go up to 160, not more. Yeah, now it's going down. But I set it to that. Alright. We're waiting for this to turn into like oh, I mean now it's falling down because I... but yeah. Why is it 100... why is it falling down now even more? Where is that probe? It's falling down to 140. Oh my god. Okay. It's going to 170. Yes, it's my fault. Gozi found it. Oh, I got new multimeter for PLD. Ooh! Cool, 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 cool. Know your place, Gozi. Making shorts is my job. Sorry, sorry. I mean, I made some, like, couple of mine. Turn on the iron. Why is it still going down? What? It's 100 degrees about. It takes like 120 to melt that. That should be alright. Let's just begin. 100 degrees is much better than 12, which is how much it's here right now. Alright. Cleaned my tip. And now let's wick. Yeah, okay, let's wick everything up. Okay. Cut off a bit of the wick and continue. I think I should just flat the board with flux just a little bit, just where I'm wicking, so I don't like slide around. Bodger's probably proud now. I'm sorry, because there's so much delay, I have no idea what you guys are talking about. Okay, this week is full now again, so I gotta cut off some more. Alright. Not proud, but warm fuzzy. Oh my god. What are you guys talking about? Just gonna go over one last time. Bodger likes his tips clean and his bushes dirty. Oh, man. You don't even know what we're talking about. Okay. I don't know what you're talking about either, so no one knows. One last brush with the wick, and then I'm gonna wick the memory pads, and then I'm gonna put on the memory first, and then measure for shorts. After that, I'm gonna put on the core, because I feel like that's the better order of operations here, than to put everything at once and then wonder, did it short that? Did that short it? What shorted what? Alright, that should be enough. And now, memory pad time. Right, so let's add this flag, add some flags. Cut some wick. Hell yeah, I do. Okay, so Bodger knows what you're talking about, but you do not. That's pretty interesting. Psychological order. Yeah, thank you. Of course, like I said before, you know, this iPhone, you know, like, oh my god. In contrary to popular belief, you know, Apple doesn't just work. It can just randomly disconnect because it wants to. Oh, I have to clean my teeth. So black. Tip is all black. Alright. So, let's just clean off that flax. Those pads look moderately fine, which is good enough. I'm gonna put on some flux on them, some new fresh flux on them, just so they're all covered. And now our new, brand new, rebuilt, brand new, which means 3 months ago, rebuilt memory. Yay! Right. 3 months, I meant 3 weeks ago, jeez. Can I not speak? It's like broken? What's happening? Oh. What in the world happened? Oh, it's so stuck down from the flax. Oh my god, you cannot pull it off. Ah, finally. Oh man, I hope it didn't damage the chip. Alright, they look good. Let's just put them on. I feel like this is not too much flux again. Just take a little bit of paper, just dab it, but still like spread it around. Yeah, it should be good. I'm gonna come in with more flux after it. There's no need to worry. That's pin 1. Pin 1 goes to pin 1. And then another pin 1 goes to the other pin 1. Yay. Alright. Where's my tweezers? Where's my tweezers? Position this thing correctly. It should just slot in, like this one too. If I rebuild it correctly, it should just like lock into place. Yep, just like that. Alright, that's really good. 420 at 90%. Need shiny tip. What's broken? You are Okay, so Apple camera disconnected again. Yay. I need to like stay alert of the notification sound on the phone because that means something's not working right. Alright. Oh, whoopsie. Too close. Maybe I can just lower the airspeed a bit. Okay, that's molten. Oh no! Come on! Ah, I bumped it too hard. Oopsie. I didn't mean to do that. I have to rebuild this one again now. Back from physical therapy. Does that mean physical now has a spot for blind podger? Yeah, we rebuild Gary Anderson. Welcome to the stream again. Glad to see you back. The thing is, we rebuilt the core. Now I was putting on the RAM and accidentally bumped it a bit too hard. So I'm gonna have to rebuild the RAM one more time. And then I can put it back on. It happens. It happens. Okay. Just hope I won't like rip any parts from this. Oh, and I'm now accidentally moving caps. Alright, I need my tweezers to hold that cap in place. Okay, I feel like I need a little bit more solder. I need to tin the pads, add flux for this one stupid capacitor. Alright. Oh my god. This cap is really not that big. It's a 0402. I just haven't soldered in so long. I don't know why I'm struggling so hard. This cap is absolutely huge. Come on! Jeez. Just stick to the pads. Thank you. Okay, now for a little reflow. Please don't come with it. Okay, I got it. Oh, that was way too hard. I don't know why. Shouldn't be that hard. I would get it if it was like, 0201 or something like that. It's just a standard 0402. Alright. Oh, where's my knife? Again. Okay, I have my pliers. I'm just gonna use those to cut the wick. And the last wicking now. The issue is that it's really hard to find a good angle. Oh, okay. Oh, I have to Oh, I moved another one! Oh. Alright, whatever. This one's a much easier angle. Just gonna probably... Alright, it's back on. I have to read chat. Okay. Nice for a gear. I guess the RAM got rammed. Lol. MK is noob, yeah, blame MK. It's 3 hours of him. Oh. Sorry to hear that. Just gonna do a quick reball off screen of the RAM because you guys have seen it already. Alright, I'm gonna be using paste, so it doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, it's very good, but if it wasn't, then it wouldn't have to be. But oh my god, I have to clean my IPA again because it looks terrible now. I don't need the iron anymore. Oh, where's the microfiber? Where did I put it? I'm sitting on it somehow. What? Okay. RAM is nice and clean. It's time for the what was it called, the thing again, the The AMAOS stencil thingy. Yay. Alright. I'm gonna use paste, of course, because that's the fastest way of doing this. So just put this guy on here. Stencil should be here somewhere. Yep, it's right here. I use this spreader. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to dry out the thing. And put this like this. Trying to like position this perfectly. It's really hard to. Oh my, and everything popped off. Oh, I'm doing it the wrong way. Jeez, of course I am. I was doing it upside down. Yeah, this should be much easier. You just do this, like that, and then place this on this, and that didn't work. So now I'm gonna move this to here. Try to do it again. God, I don't have enough light. I need more light. Did this run out of battery? It took like 1 hour. What the? Oh, I'm streaming for like almost 3 hours already. Jeez, should wrap this up. And of course it freaking stuck to it. Why can't I see anything? Like, I need a good flashlight or something. Oh, maybe here. Yes. Oh, I think this is perfect, right? Yeah, that looks great. Okay. Oh, did I move it? Yes, but it moves with the thing. Okay. That's good. Alright. Paste time! Where's the paste? There's the paste. Okay, so just like last time, right? I push out some of the paste onto a paper, then I dry it out, and then I apply it. Alright. Where's my push thingy? Oh, I have to steal it from the flux. Yeah. Alright, push out a solid chunk, should be enough, no problem. Where's the... Oh, yeah, there's the cap. I screw back on, because I had to... I mean, for the paste not to dry, but I guess I want it dry, whatever. And I'm gonna put the temp down to like 130. Don't rush it. Yeah. I'm trying to hurry and not rush at the same time. Yeah, all of the flux is getting absorbed by the paper and drying up. Okay, yeah, the paste is super dry now. I'm gonna take the thing that it's used for, scoop out all of that paste and put it right here. Perfect. Yes, great. So much paste. Think, oh my god, a lot too much paste.
whatever. Better to have too much than too little, I guess. Okay. Alright, and now I melt it with 420-50 while holding the stencil down. I mean, I guess the magnet means that I don't have to, but it's still a good measure to do. Alright, I think it looks good. Yeah, it looks great. Alright. Okay, take two, I guess. Just let it cool down a little bit. Okay, the board is really nice temperature, 118. Very good, very good. Why is it going down? Okay. I can pull the RAM chip off the stencil. Oh, not perfect. I lost the ball. Dang it. Okay, I'll put it back inside the same stencil. And I'm gonna try reflowing that one ball onto the rest. No. Okay. Now, also, two balls even came out. Okay. Alright, let me just try to reflow those. Doesn't seem to be reflowing. Every other ball seems to be okay. Only these two don't want to cooperate. Alright, let's try again. I'm gonna maybe I just put some flax in there. Maybe it's not enough flax. Okay, let's try now. There's a good chance it has flown back. Yeah, I'll see, I guess. Wait a little bit. Okay. I did not expect to have to do this again. I guess that's the thing. Everything's very unexpected. The liquid? No, it's not. Okay. Let's see if now it's good. Please tell me it's good. It looks good. So that means I just flood the flax again, reflow everything, and put it on, I guess. Oh my god, it's so... The flax is so easy to squeeze out.
Okay, now it's all good and very good reball, everything very good, very good. I can finally put this thing back there. But first, is it liquid? No, it's not okay. Put it back on here, like that, yes, like that. Right, am I thinking correctly? No, like this. Okay. Yep. Okay, it's very locked in like this, so I think this is good, right? Yeah, okay. Now I go to 90% and I shall see what happens. Should be pretty quick. Oh, that quick even. Yeah, it's done. Very quick indeed. Yeah, alright, let's measure for shorts. Where's the multimeter? Let's see if I have shorted anything. So, this rail should be something other than 0. Crap. Oh my god, come on, really? Really? Dang it. Should not remove heat that fast. What do you mean I shouldn't? The thing was already like in bubbling. I could move it with a bump test. That means it's melted. Alright, let's take it off again. Reball it for like third time. Or you know what? First I'm gonna get everything else. Of course I took the cup again. Dang it. Okay, I think I see that there's a exposed trace. I'm gonna have to cover up with mask. Repair is getting more complicated the more I do it. Alright, let's just put this cap back on again. It's gonna flow back in. Third time, yeah. Is there still a short? Yes? What? How is there still a short if there's no memory? Did this one get... God. Great, so this one wasn't even the problem, it was this one. Oh, alright. Let's reball both. I know like the board is hot, but it should still say like 20. It's an epic journey. Yeah. It's a long journey, that's for sure. gonna probably turn out that one of those chips is shorted or something like that. Freaking, oh, there's a trace here too that's got scratched. No. No. Alright. Let's see. If this still is short, then I don't freaking know anymore. Don't be short. Do not be short. Still short. What? Why? Why are you 0 ohms? There is no bridge. Why are you 0 ohms? Tell me. Tell me. Jeez. What the... What in the world? I don't want to take off more chips than I have to. I think we might have to... I don't know what we have to do, really. Chip-oriented correct. I mean, I got rid of both of them. There should not be any reason of why that's short still. But it is. 0.7, 0.6, 0.5, yeah, it's going to 0. So then why? If that's good, I mean, if there's no chips, then how can a chip be shorted? I mean, it's good that we are having this before I put on the core. Because if I did, I would have solved many doubts. But now, I see that this is just... Could it be that this board is just so unbelievably hot? You know what, guys? I'm turning this off. I'm taking the board out of here, cooling it down completely, and measuring again. Maybe something's bridged. It is not bridged. Can you see microscope view? Not currently. I only have one like outlet, and it's being occupied by the iPhone right now. So unfortunately not. But I can tell you with 100% accuracy, there is nothing bridging here. Absolutely nothing bridging. Alright, let's just cool this off. Maybe the board is just so hot that the multimeter thinks that there's a short. Although, I don't think so, but you know what? Everything is possible. So, I'm gonna get the fan favorites fan over here. Our Dongguan fan again. Cool this thing down. And then I'll measure again, because this is like ridiculous. How could there be a short if there is no short to be short? You know what I mean? Thermal cam time. That's true. That's true. If there is still a short, it is thermal cam time. It is. But yeah, I'm happy that this is happening now and not when the core is on the board, because I would have been so like, oh my god, is this did I like you know, position the core wrong or did something like that. And now I know it's just something else that happened. Maybe it's just so hot, but if it's not, I don't know how I would have bumped another chip. Let's see, I guess we will see. So yeah, we're just cooling the board. Cooling it until it's cold. Like everything else in here. Unless, is there like a bridge on the pads under the... No, there is not. Okay, I thought like maybe there's a bridge. Okay, like this is like not even warm at this point. Okay, let's see. Guys, what do you think? Is there gonna... short stay strong or short be gone? Like on the Joey streams. Short be gone! What? 180. Oh my god, that's so much. Why is it so high? 109. Okay. So it's just because the board is so freaking hot. It thinks it's shorted. So basically, I desoldered both of these for nothing. I have to rebuild that again. Whoopsie, I guess. That's a whoopsie. Whatever. Let's just do that. Turn this back on. Everything back on. This time I will... I will not do that. Okay, there's one RAM chip. Where's the other one? It will fall down. Where did that RAM chip go? In case. I thought they were both here. Where are they? What happened to them? I mean, I have one. Where's the other one? Could have swiped it off. Yeah. Oh man. This here landed on the carpet. Amazing. Alright, so I cannot see it yet. Alright. I'm gonna stand up, try to like see where it went. The magnet base. Come on. Where did it go? Pretty sure I just swiped it off into the abyss. I need to find it in the abyss. I don't even know where the first chip was. Great job. Where did I put? Oh, okay. There's the first chip. There's still no second chip. Come on, it was like here. How did I lose that? Come on. I don't have another one. I'm not taking the chip from. These are just normal chips. There was another memory chip somewhere with also GDDR5X. Yeah, there it is, but I don't know if it's like the pads are probably torn off, right? Yeah, I'm gonna try to weak that. What you looking for? If you would be so kind to rewind the stream and see, I had two memory chips here. Did you see that I swiped the one of them, or what did I do with one of them? I think I had two of them here. Freaking, I have one only. I have no idea where the other one went. You'll check? Okay, thanks. This sucks. Yeah, no, this one has a bunch of ripped pads. No way we can use this one, so I have to find the other one. They went under the tissue? Which tissue? Are they like on my pants or something? Under the shoe? There's like this tissue, but it's off screen. Oh, come on. Is it
like under here maybe? Oh. Yes, is it? Yes, it was. How? How was it under this? Alright. MK, if you're still here, you don't have to search anymore. We found it, we found it. Okay. Oh, reballing time! Woo! Let's go, once again. I'm gonna do 2 at a time this time, and save some time. The memory fairy came and took them. I don't think so. It was under the thing, the preheater. It was not the memory fairy, no. Memory fairy was also there. The carbon chips and the flux. But under carbon temp. And every time I'm reballing these chips, I'm afraid that they're gonna, stop working because of how many times they hit them. Jeez, poor chips, poor chips. Okay. I think one of the pads fell off, but I'm like 99% sure that was. Oh my god, I have to check the datasheet now. Hold on. There's a very, very solid chance that is just ground, but or VCC or VDDQ or whatever. But of course, I'm gonna have to check. I don't wanna have a faulty chip on the board. I have to add an account. Okay. Can I add this one, please? Yes, very good. Okay. Shared. ThinkPad, Syscon. Where's the GPU shared? Yeah, this one. GDDR5X. Okay. So, I have this in the position. Okay, so this is the triangle. So it's like this. And the thing that got ripped is ground. Sure. What I thought, but better to be safe than sorry, I guess. And I'm not sorry at all.
Alright. Let's just get our IPA, I guess. Or not even IPA, just get rid of the flux. So I'm just gonna heat them up. Make all the flux molten. And then really quickly calm down with a tissue and wipe it all away. No IPA needed. Amazing. Squeaky clean, and I can now re-bowl. Alright, there's the paste, there's even more paste here. Something just fell down. Probably not important. And this time, after reballing both and putting both on, I will let the board cool down and do all the things. Because I feel like it's important to know still if the core is... Okay. Man, to position this so hard. Come on. Just can't get it to line up. Line up, please. Oh my. Cannot see anything. Oh, this is because it's all dirty. That may be why. I'm gonna clean the stencil. Maybe just because it's so dirty, it doesn't like pop through fully. Where's IPA? Where's the IPA? Come on. This is the cloth, but where did I put the IPA again? Keep putting it in places I cannot find. Yeah, I always put it here, but it's not here this time. So I put it somewhere else. Where? Great question. Okay, I'm back. The IPA is not. Where's my... Under the table. It's not. It's somewhere else. It has to be somewhere. Oh, it's on the desk. Wow, who would have known? Great. Alright. Scrubbing time. Right, more IPA, and now this time I'm gonna use a brush to get the things out of the holes. Right. Is it perfect? Yes, I think so. Alright. Let's do this again. This time I hope it's gonna be, for a difference, much easier. Almost there, come on. I think I did it. That was much easier. Okay. Paste time. So there's paste here that I can use. That's not that much paste though, so I'm gonna have to use more paste. I mean, make more paste, more dry paste. Although, I think that's even enough for one chip. Could be, could be. Just have to like... Yeah, I think it's gonna be enough. Be really resourceful. With patience. Yeah, I'd say that's very good. Alright. That's too much. Let's skip. This. That did not work out. We're gonna try again. What happened is it didn't work. That's what happened. So yeah. I'm gonna clean the stencil and move on to the next chip and try again later. Well, I think that I had more paste than necessary in one area and I just did not like that at all. Oh, it doesn't like get through. Dang it. Okay. I have to pop every single... No. Probably the more abrasive brush, wherever my normal toothbrush. Where is it? I have to look for something, like some of them. Yeah, no, I don't know. This one should be good though. There's like two balls that are very stubborn, but I think I can just get them out with a knife. And so yeah, this stream of reballing a core turned into 4-time RAM reballing. But that's how it is sometimes. Not everything always goes to plan. Alright. Let's try chip number 2 and then we'll get back to chip number 1 again. What in the world? Why is this? Oh, okay. Well, okay, that looks good. I'm gonna try doing it like this now. Without the drying it. Just like, get it through. Alright, that should be plenty. I have done it on wet paste too, and I think it worked fine. So last time I had to add flux, so maybe, just maybe this will work. Okay, that's way too much paste. This time I will clean this thing until it doesn't have any paste, excess paste left because of what happened last time. Okay. Oh, it should finally. Bonus content RAM, yes. Please. No. It like bubbled up. Hey guys, my iPhone ran out of battery while it was plugged in. That reball didn't work either. I accidentally slightly shifted the magnet, and it all went to crap. So yeah, I've been streaming for 3.5 hours. I think this is a good time to take a break and continue it on the next one. I know I thought we could do this today, but I think it's better to wait and to do it with a fresh mind, no frustration. But yeah, thank you all very much for being here, for watching, and yeah, hopefully in the next one we get this thing fired up after reballing and everything. Yeah, I hope you all have a nice day, and yeah, goodbye.